I want to welcome everybody to another episode of Great Bikes at Orlando Harley-Davidson. My name is Robert. Around here they call me Papaw, and this is Ted. Ted's the great family member around here that we love absolutely. Lowrider S, custom build with Dominion custom parts. This is a West Coast style bike that everybody absolutely loves. The Lowrider S has the 114 engine, which is an 1868cc. West Coast style, Dominion grips, 2-up seating, very fantastic bike for all of your needs. You can see on the West Coast styling, we have the bronze mag wheels. This particular Lowrider S has a custom paint jobs. So some of the used bikes that you can find here at Orlando Harley-Davidson are one of a kind. Very custom builds. As well as custom builds, you can bring your bike in to get parts that you have for your dreams, or you can come in and find the bikes that are here that are already built for you. At Orlando Harley-Davidson, we strive to give you great service from our parts department to our service. Come to Orlando Harley-Davidson for anything that you need. Give us a call for any questions. And once again, thank you for tuning in to another episode of Great Bikes at Orlando Harley-Davidson.